Cordial greetings. My name is Mayler Barillo Chila. This is my presentation, the technological advance and environment. The technological advance have caused a fundamental development in the history of the human begin science. With this, humanity has acquired a series of benefits with which they have improved their quality of life. With the cell phones, they use various energies, and the constructions of large works that connect the cities and countries. The effects negatives is the global warming and acid rain and erosions, the warming of Arctic glaciers, and of climate, the change of climate in different regions of the Earth. How can we stop the global warming? One way to stop the crisis we are going through is to start with ourselves. In my case, is reuse productions for personal use are biodegradable and friendly to the environment. Always sort out household waste. Organic becomes compost of the residential group, and the recyclable material is given to people who can give it a second case use. They use the 3R: reduce, reuse, and recycle. And have the small orchards in front of my house. How important I teach my children about of importance of our home and the earth. I give this same example with my friends, my neighbors. I believe that these actions can have the effects of the snowball. They can become massive. Thank you. Small reflections. This is the only home we have.